Unlocking your trading time frame. Choosing the right trading time frame is key to success. It aligns with your personality, goals, and lifestyle. Whether you prefer quick scalps or long-term positions, there's a time frame for you. Scalping, the quick profit game. Fast profits. Scalping focuses on tiny price movements. Traders aim for quick gains in minutes, many trades per day. High leverage is common. High intensity. Scalping demands intense focus. It requires fast execution and emotional control. Emotionally exhausting. High transaction costs. Day trading. Daily opportunities. Intraday focus. Day traders seek daily profits. Positions are closed before the day ends. Avoid overnight risk. No overnight exposure protects capital. Many trade opportunities arise daily. Screen time requires hours of dedicated screen time. It can still be emotionally demanding. Swing trading, riding the waves. Market analysis, less screen time, larger profits. Swing trading suits those analyzing markets in free time. Trades last days or weeks. Position trading, the long game, long-term view, large capital, slower returns. Position trading works for long-term investors. It requires patience and capital. Match your style to your time frame. First is fast action. Do scalping with time. Frame 1 minute to 5 minutes. Second is daily trades. Day trading with time frame 5 minutes to 1 hour. Third is bigger profits. Swing trading with time frame 1 hour to 1 day. Fourth is long-term positional trading with time frame 1 day to 1 week. Time frame considerations. Capital. Consider available capital. Time. Consider time commitment. Risk tolerance. Consider risk appetite. Each time frame has distinct requirements. Match your resources to your trading style. Key takeaways and next steps. Align time frame with your personality. Understand the pros and cons. Start with paper trading to test time frames. Adjust your approach as needed. Choosing the right time frame improves your trading journey. It can help you achieve success. Start with a demo account and find the perfect fit.